Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on your R36S console in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are turning it on correctly. So in order to turn it on, you just have to simply press and hold the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds and not just a quick tap. Wait for a few seconds and check if the screen lights up. If nothing happens after doing this, then the issue could be relating to the power. So in order to fix it, you need to connect your console to a charger and let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes. If the battery is fully drained, the device may not turn on immediately. Also, you need to check your charging cable and the adapter whether these are working properly. After charging, you can try powering it on again. Now, even after doing this, it still doesn't turn on. Then you can try a factory reset. In it, you just have to press and hold the same power button, but this time for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device receives reset. Then you need to release and press it again in order to turn it on. Now, this is going to help fix the situations where the system is stuck. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your R36S console is working again properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.